ರಾಮ 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 जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय विघ्न विनायक मूर्ति की शारदा देवी की वल्ली देवसेना कान्तस्मरणं नमः पार्वती पतये जय पराशक्ति माता की जानकी कान्तस्मरणं सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं बोला पुण्डलीक वरदे सद्गुरु ज्ञानानंद मूर्ति की आंजनेय स्वामी की समस्त भक्त मंडली की हरिनारायण 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 दुरित निवारण हरिनारायण दुरित निवारण परमानंद सदा शिव शंकर भक्त जन प्रिय पंकज लोचन भक्त जन
ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. Bhagwat Mela Vidyalaya Meltur and Lasya Melalaya Bengaluru for the 4th year in continuum curates this dedicated online festival in memory of its founder Guru Meltur, late Shri S. Natarajan, and thereby fulfills his profound vision for cultural unity through art. Connecting art and artists from different nationalities in a cross-cultural collaboration, this grand international festival features legendary artists and young upcoming achievers across the globe with varying culture as tribute on the 81st year of Guru Meltur Shri S. Natarajan. It becomes more significant this year as we are honored with a prestigious international recognition, a Home for Humanity Award from France, whose founders, Professor Alexander Schiffer and Dr. Rama Mani, have done global work for peace through various humanitarian relief measures. We also pay homage to Pandit Shri R. Visveswaran, an exemplary musician who is none other than the nephew of the legendary musician, scholar, actor and composer Vidwan Shri G. N. Balasubramanian. With his Ardhangini Padma Shri Guru Chitra Vishveshwaran, Pandit Shri R. Vishveshwaran conquered the hearts of his Sahrudayas with his mellifluous voice and dynamic vocal renditions for the Chidambaram Academy of Performing Arts, Chennai. In her own words, Guru Chitra Vishveshwaran says they were intertwined for the higher cause of propagating the divine art. A Vainika, a guitarist, an intriguing composer, his split-second humor, his love for good food, his photographic sensibilities, These left one in admiration of his magnificent persona. Standing tall and handsome, he was ever humble about his illustrious lineage. We also offer our tribute through this Samarpana Mela to Pandit Shri R. Vishweshwaran, a Santur maestro, on his 80th year, as we relive the close bond he and Guru Shri S. Natarajan and the mutual respect and regards they had for each other when it came to sounds, hi-fi speakers and studios. We seek the blessings of our Parama Guru, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, on this auspicious moment as we carry our noble mission of Bhagavad Mela Vidyalaya in its 11th year. We also express our gratitude to Vidushri Sukanya Ravinder for sharing the treasured memories through pictures and photographs of Pandit Shri R. Vishweshwaran. Bhagavad Mela Vidyalaya Meltur and Lasya Melalaya Bengaluru presents Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Sanskritik Sahakarita, Vishwasya Vibhinna Deshanam, Samskritakkanam Samyojave Chhati, connecting art, artists across nations with cross-cultural collaborations in tribute with deep reverence to Guru Meltur late S. Natarajan and Guru Patni Srimati Anuradha Natarajan. Pranams.
रामं भजे श्यामळम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षमन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वं मरोगदा अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वञ्च हनुमस्मरणात् भवेत्.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Asmita Mukherjee and I will be introducing Dhanya Chandramohan. Dhanya Chandramohan. Dhanya Chandramohan, a Bharatanatyam dancer based in Sintra, Portugal, brings over 25 years of dance experience on diverse global stages. Dhanya trained under the esteemed Guru Shubha Ramesh Parmar, a direct disciple of Kalaimamani Guru Indrarajan and Pandanallur Srinivasa Pillai, and a champion of the traditional Pandanallur style. She has participated in national US-based festivals such as the highly selective Cleveland Aradhana Festival and widely attended Shubhanjali School of Performing Arts Productions. She was an invited dancer for the Portland-based Kalabharati School of Dance and has performed full-length showcases at the Venkateshwara Temple in New Jersey, Music Academy Mini Hall Chennai, Gyan Manch Kolkata, and the Bhagavata Mela Festival in Meltur. After a reflective hiatus to give birth to her children, Dhanya returns with a profound connection to her art, eager to share its timeless wisdom and beauty. Bhagavata Mela Vidyalaya and Lasya Melalaya is immensely grateful to Vidushi Dhanya Chandramohan for her time and efforts in compiling this tribute, in spite of having a challenging time in between work, travel, and managing two very young kids. She has done a befitting tribute through dedicating Hari Tum Haro in Guru Shri S. Natarajan's memory. The lyrics and the ragam were his timeless favorites. She concludes with Maithreen Bhajata, the anthem of world peace, which completes the Sachidananda Nataraja Samarpana Mela 2024. Its efforts in bringing together artists from different nationalities for the cause of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam through art in tribute. Dhanya comes from a family having a rich cultural lineage, and it's evident as she carries herself through her art. We are grateful to Guru Shubha Parmar for enabling Dhanya to offer this tribute through Shubhanjali School of Dance, New Jersey, and Dhanya's mother, Srimati Radhika Chandramohan, in ensuring Dhanya as part of this grand tribute series. We wish Dhanya has a blissful artistic journey ahead and continues to inspire us in our mission to empower young students from Meltur through our art. Pranam.
Hello and namaskarams. My name is Dhanya Chandramohan and I am a Bharatanatyam dancer based in Portugal. I grew up learning Bharatanatyam in the Pandanallur style from my guru, Shubha Ramesh Parmar, based in New Jersey, USA. Melatur Natarajan, or Natarajan Atimber as I knew him, was very supportive of me learning dance and invited me to perform at the Bhagavata Mela Festival in 2012. He was a kind and gentle man, and I was amazed to see him turn into such an amazing performer when he took to the stage. The following is a dedication to him, filmed at the Sri Guru Ayyappan Temple in Morganville, New Jersey, USA. Thank you, Priyaka, for including me in this project and for all of the contributions that Atimber has made to the Bhagavata Mela tradition. And to the children of the Vidyalaya Foundation, I wish you all the best on your endeavor to learn Bharatanatyam and hope that you always cultivate this very special relationship and lifelong relationship that you will have with dance.
The first piece that Danya will be dancing is Panchamurti Anjali. This is a classical piece of music played during the times when temple idols are taken out in procession. It is a combination of a Kaudram and a Malad. The lyrics pay respects to and are in praise of 5 deities. Lord Shiva as Nataraja, the cosmic dancer in the Golden Hall of Chidambaram, his consort Parvati as Shivakama Sundari, and their sons Ganesha and Muruga. In addition, Lord Chandrasekhara is also honored. He is present in every Shiva temple, lost in his meditation of Lord Shiva. Devotees register their presence by gently clicking their fingers in his shrine. This piece was composed by Sri T.M. Arunachalam Pillai and is set to Gambhira Nataraga in Kanta Tripura Tala.
मामुगतोने श्री सिद्धि विनायकने शरणं ऐंदु करतोने आने मामुगतोने श्री सिद्धि विनायकने शरणं ऐंदु करतोने आने मामुगतोने श्री सिद्धि विनायकने Nam முருகனே ஸ்ரீ ஷண்முகனே சரணம் ஸ்ரீவள்ளி தெய்வயானி சமேத ஸ்ரீ முருகனே ஸ்ரீ ஷண்முகனே சரணம் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் தில்லை கனக சபை தனிலே திருநடனம் புரியும் ஸ்ரீ நடராஜனே சரணம் தில்லை கனக சபை தனிலே திருநடனம் புரியும் ஸ்ரீ நடராஜனே சரணம் தில்லை கனக சபை தனிலே திருநடனம் புரியும் ஸ்ரீ நடராஜனே சரணம் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் கனக சபாபதி உதய மனமகிழ்வுபெற்ற ஸ்ரீ சிவகாம சுந்தரி சரணம் கனக சபாபதி உதய மனமகிழ்வு பெற்ற ஸ்ரீ சிவகாம சுந்தரி சரணம் கனக சபாபதி உதய மனமகிழ்வு பெற்ற ஸ்ரீ சிவகாம சுந்தரி சரணம் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன தும் தீங்கேன தும் கேன தும் ததீதம் நம் 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 கீட ததீங்கேன
I would like to dedicate this item, titled Haritu Maharo, to Melatur Natarajan. He was married to my mother's first cousin, and we all affectionately called him Natarajan Atimber. He was the torchbearer of the Bhagavatamela tradition, a ritualistic theater form performed only by male members of the Bhagavata families. He came from a long line of dancers who also composed 11 dance dramas. He received training in Nritta under the Bharatanatyam gurus Kittappa Pillai and Pandanallur Shanmuga Sundaram Pillai. The great temple or theater art of Bhagavatamela flourished under the patronage of Nayak and Bosala kings during the 16th and 17th centuries, and is at its pinnacle and of glory and fame to this day and age, thanks to Atimber's grandfather, Melatur V. Ganesha Iyer and his family. With his administrative skill, ably supported by a dedicated band of members of the Sangam, Natarajan Atimber strove hard to keep the flag flying. It is not an exaggeration to mark in records that Natarajan, plowing a lonely furrow, opened an epoch for Bhagavatamela and initiated the golden age of Bhagavatamela. Natarajan Atimber was the driving force in keeping the Bhagavatamela tradition alive for more than 6 decades by dedicating his life to it, hosting the annual 10-day festival every May in Melatur. Although he was employed in Dubai as an engineer, he worked untiringly around the year for the cause of Bhagavatamela to keep alive the tradition handed down by his family, spending most of his salaried earnings for the cause. Even after retirement, he moved back to Melatur and started teaching Bharatanatyam to underprivileged kids in the village. That dance school has now grown to over 200 students, and my cousin Priya is doing a great job teaching the children free of charge. Natarajan Atimber was honored with the Kalaimamani Award from the Tamil Nadu Yel Isai Nataga Mandram and the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for his service at the Bhagavatamela tradition. As you are all aware, I have vitiligo. Atimber was so keen that I received the blessings of his favorite deity, Narasimha, to alleviate the condition that he invite me to perform at the Bhagavatamela festival in 2012. Personally, for me, it was a great honor. Additionally, to watch the various dance dramas in the sweltering, and I mean sweltering, heat that were staged late into the night was to understand what devotion and unwavering commitment to tradition meant. I remember being blown away by Atimber's improvisations when he would do over 20 variations for a single line of lyrics. We lost Natarajan Atimber to COVID in 2020. This item I'm going to perform, which Anita will explain before we begin, Haritu Maharo, depicts the story of Narasimha, and that inspired me to dedicate this item to him. Thank you.
As Danya mentioned, Haritu Maharo is an Indian bhajan or a devotional song by Mirabai, the 15th century poet saint. It was Mahatma Gandhi's favorite song, who requested the popular singer M.S. Subbulakshmi's rendition for what was to be his last birthday celebrations. In this song, Saint Mira is in deep contemplation of Hari, Krishna, and his acts of compassion towards his devotees. 3 episodes are referenced. In the epic tale of Mahabharata, King Duryodhana challenges his cousin Yudhishthira to a game of dice. The naive Yudhishthira consents, but is unaware that Duryodhana is using loaded dice. Yudhishthira ends up losing his kingdom and his 4 valiant brothers. Duryodhana then stakes his claim to Draupadi, Yudhishthira's wife, and wins. Queen Draupadi is dragged into the court and subjected to the indignity of being stripped of her clothing. The outraged queen appeals to all without avail and finally surrenders to Krishna, who provides her with an unending length of fabric to protect her dignity, much to the amazement of all present. In the second episode, the megalomaniac King Hiranya wants to hear his son Prahlad sing his praises. Little Prahlad is an ardent devotee of Vishnu, and he refuses to oblige and instead sings the praises of Vishnu. The outraged king orders that his son be trampled by an elephant. Instead, the elephant bows to Prahlad. The king then orders his wife to feed Prahlad snake poison, which also fails in the face of Prahlad's devotion to Vishnu. Seeking revenge,
Sanyas, asks where can he find Vishnu. The young Prahlad tells him that Vishnu is all-pervasive. He can be found in a speck of dust as well as in a mighty pillar. King Hiranya attempts to break down the pillar with his mace, and lo and behold, out emerges a fearsome half-man, half-lion creature that grabs Hiranya, lays him down, disembowels him, but upon seeing the young Prahlad, calms down and blesses him. The third episode is about how Vishnu came at a moment's notice to kill a crocodile that had grabbed the leg of the elephant Gajendra. The devout Gajendra appealed to Vishnu to protect him, which he did. Saint Meera's song seeks to convey the infinite mercy of Lord Vishnu to all, regardless of whether they are young or old, male or female, human or animal.
Hari Hari tum haro Janaki जनकी हरि तुम हरो जनकी हरि जनकी द्रौपदी की लाज राख्यो तुम बधायो छी 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 द्रौपदी की लाज राख्यो द्रौपदी की द्रौपदी कारण रूप नरहरि धर्यो आप शरीर भक्त कारण रूप नरहरि धर्यो आप शरीर भक्त कारण रूप नरहरि हिरण्यकश्यप हिरण्यकश्यप ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶ್ಯಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶ್ಯಪ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶ್ಯಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶ್ಯಪ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶ್ಯಪ कमल भरसी चरण कमल भरसी हरि हरि
So we have one concluding item, Maitrim Bhajata. Maitrim Bhajata is a benediction. It's composed in Sanskrit by the 68th Shankaracharya of Sri Kamakoti Peetham, Sri Chandrasekhara Saraswati, renowned as the Paramacharya of conscience. This is a translation of the lyrics. Cultivate friendship with all. Look upon others as thyself. Renounce war. Forswear competition. Give up aggression on others. Earth is our mother here to fulfill our desires. God is compassionate to all. Oh, people of this world, distribute yourself, donate, and be kind. May all the people be happy and prosperous. The lines in the lyrics which say Dhamyata Datta Dayatvam Janata have the mythological importance. Legend has it that the Creator had 3 sons, namely men, demons, and gods. After the Creator taught them their lessons as a father, the 3 groups approached Prajapati and asked for one final lesson. When the gods approached him and asked for the lesson, he said the word Da and asked them whether they understood. They said, yes, you have asked us to control ourselves. And the Da means Dhamyatam, or self-restraint. Identically, he said the same word, Da, when the 2 other groups approached him as well. The men understood Da as Datta, which means being charitable, and the demons understood Da as Dayadvam, which meant being kind. At this point, a thundering sound was heard from the heavens and said, Da Da Da, Dham Yata Datta Dayadvam, which suggests the 3 axioms every one of us should learn. It was rendered at the United Nations on October 23rd, 1966, on the occasion of UN Day by Bharat Ratna MS Subbulakshmi and Dr. Radha Vishwanathan, who received a standing ovation. Mr. Yutham was the UN Secretary General at the time. Interestingly, in 2005, Danya had the opportunity to dance to this song in front of Yutham's daughter, Ms. Ayodhan, and at the Yutham Foundation Awards event. She was very moved and told about the history of the song. Now to complete the final piece of the performance, Danya will be performing Maitrim Bhajata and Mangalam.
मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्रीं 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 आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृदयेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृदयेत्रीं जननी पृथिवी कामदुःखार्ते 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 जनको देव सकल दयाळो 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 दाम्यत दत्त दयतो जनता दाम्यत दत्त दयतो जनता दाम्यत दत्त दयतो जनता दाम्यत दत्त दयतो जनता श्रेयो भूया सकल जनानां 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 श्रेयो भूया सकल जनानां
गोविन्दं भजरे मानस गोपालं भजरे 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 गोविन्द गोपाल 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 गोविन्दं भजरे मानस गोपालं भजरे गोविन्दं भजरे मानस गोपालं भजरे गोविन्दं भजरे मानस गोपालं भजरे गोविन्द ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಾಮ ಸಂಕೀರ್ತನಂ.